welcome back to my channel. So surprise surprise, today I'm going to be doing another day in my life video. These are just so fun to film, and I don't know, I feel like they help keep me on track, and I feel like they might motivate some of you too, so kind of like a win-win. But anyways, today is Thursday, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays I usually have 3 classes. However, my first class today is just like a review of the test we took last week. So she said that you only have to come if you want to, and I got an A on the test, so I decided that I was going to sit that one out. But I do have to go to my other 2 classes today. I have a risk management class and then a life insurance and policy class. So I'm going to be in those classes from 11:30 until about 2 o'clock today. Other than that, today I have to study for a quiz that I have in my econ class tomorrow. Her quizzes are kind of hard, so I'm going to spend like a couple hours studying for sure. And then I also have a homework assignment due tomorrow as well. So I just have a couple things I need to go to the library to get done after class as well. But yeah, right now is 10:37. I actually just got to the library station, so I'm about to hop on there, get to class, and then I will probably talk to you guys when I get to the library. Alright, so I just got back from class, and if you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I had a smoothie for breakfast, and to be honest, I think I'm gonna make another. Last week, I actually got this new blender off of Amazon, and it's the xoxo vacuum blender, and oh my goodness, you guys, I am obsessed with this. So, as you guys heard, I said it's a vacuum blender, and I actually had no idea about these, but they pretty much blend in a vacuum state, which means that all the air that usually causes oxidation and browning is removed before you even blend everything up. So right here is the little vacuum seal that you pretty much just put on, and that's what's gonna cause everything to not separate, like what tends to happen a lot of the times when you're making juices. You know how the ingredients can kind of separate and it just looks nasty? So when I ordered this, it actually came with one of these recipe books, and oh my goodness, this has so many different crazy recipes that I've never heard of, but they all look so incredibly good. And you can use this for juices, smoothies, soups, and dips, which I would have never ever thought to use a blender for dips, so I'm really excited to keep playing around with this thing. You guys are gonna be shook at how just high-tech this thing is. So I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm just gonna make a really simple, I think, banana peach smoothie, maybe add in some berries, but just gonna add some berries, and I usually just do water. Sometimes I'll do almond milk, but I'm just gonna do water today. All right, and then to use this, you pretty much just lock it into place like that, and then put this on top, and make sure you have that little vacuum seal on, and then press this down, and then I'll usually just click these smart settings. And then after everything is blended, you just remove this vacuum seal. And voila, that is it, you guys. How incredibly good does that look? And okay, so this cracks me up because one time, this was when I had my old blender, I decided I was gonna make myself a smoothie the night before, and I felt all prepared, and then I woke up in the morning and it was literally disgusting. The smoothie had browned, it was all separated. But the xoxo actually comes with one of these to-go containers, so you can literally just make your smoothie the night before and then just put it in here, and because it has the vacuum seal, it's not gonna get all nasty or brown during the night. All right, so it's about 4 o'clock, and I just realized I haven't told you guys what I'm doing this weekend. So this weekend is my fall break. It's from Saturday until Tuesday, so I'm back to school next Wednesday, and my boyfriend and I are actually going to Treasure Island in Florida, so I'm very, very excited. I was in Florida in March. I went to Miami just because that's where my cruise was leaving from, but I have not been on like actual vacation to Florida in something crazy, like 13 years. But I figured I would just kind of maybe show you guys a couple of the things that I'm bringing. So, okay, first I gotta bring my wave hat. Definitely gonna bring my speaker. I feel like I always forget to bring a speaker when I go to the beach or to the pool. So I'm really glad that I'm gonna hopefully remember this one. Most definitely gonna bring my Polaroid camera. This thing is awesome. I'm kind of bad at using it. Like, my Polaroids always turn out so bad, but they're great memories to have in the long run, I feel like. And then as far as bathing suits, does anyone else just like suck with choosing bathing suits? I always just want to pack all the bathing suits that I own, but I never can, obviously. So I decided I would pick out 4 because we're gonna be there for 4 full days, so that's like 1 for each day, right? But I'm gonna bring this one piece, and it's like floral and embroidered. I'm also gonna bring this one piece, and it kind of gives the illusion of being a 2-piece actually. I'm gonna bring this top and then just a pair of black bottoms to go with that. And then I'm also gonna bring this green top. As far as clothes, I feel like my boyfriend and I are pretty similar in the way that we're probably just gonna wanna be on the beach all day. So I'm not really gonna bring a ton of nice dress-up clothes and stuff. I'm gonna bring, you know, some shorts and some cute little, I've been wearing all of these like strappy shirts lately. You can get them at Forever 21 for literally like $5. So I'm gonna bring some of these. I have one in red, gray, and blue. I'm gonna bring just some tube tops. I recently got this pair of overalls, which I have been obsessed with. So I think I'm definitely gonna bring these. I'm gonna bring my favorite cover-up, which is this. I got this on Zaful almost a year ago, and it's like lacy. It's very lightweight, but it's a great cover-up because it covers your shoulders. And then I also got this the other day from Zaful. This is just a cute little mini dress, and it has buttons going up it, and it's on the side, which is kind of different. But I thought this would just be cute if we go out to dinner or something. And then I'm also gonna bring one of my favorite 2-piece sets. And then as far as other stuff I'm gonna bring, I'm not really sure. I know I need to pack my makeup, my laptop. I'll probably bring a book for the car ride, headphones. I don't really know what else. But tomorrow's Friday, so what we are gonna do is my boyfriend works until 5:30. So at around 6 o'clock, we are just gonna hit the road. So we'll probably drive all throughout the night and then get there at like 2 or 3 in the morning, and then we'll just crash at our Airbnb and wake up and we'll be in Florida. All right, so it's about 7 o'clock and I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some dinner now. I'm getting hungry. I ended up not even eating lunch today just because that smoothie filled me up so much. But I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite things I've been eating lately, and it's just these pitas, and I didn't realize how easy it was to make. And you can totally customize these yourself. Like, they're not really Greek because it's missing the olive and the tzatziki, but they're just my own little pitas. So I've been getting these Perdue chicken strips, and it's really nice because you don't have to cook the chicken. It's already there for you. It takes literally seconds to put together. I love the taste of arugula, so you can use arugula or spinach. And then I just got a cucumber and I cut it all up so it's just ready to go. Some of these mini peppers and some hummus. Literally all you have to do is put it into a sliced pita like this, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together and then I'll show you guys. All right, and there she is. How badass does this look? I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just put some hummus up at the very top. And this is a whole wheat pita too, so it's all the more healthy. So yeah, just some peppers, arugula, cucumber, chicken, hummus, and that's about it. I wish I had some black olives, but yes. Alright you guys, so I am with Brady right now, and we are about to go to a presentation for a class that is on Wednesdays. So it's just a presentation associated with the class, that's why we're going. But it's in the Center City campus, and you guys look at how pretty it is outside right now. So I told you guys in one of my recent videos that I've been using this Clearasil face wash, but I did not mention that as far as makeup remover goes, I have been using coconut oil. Now, I have heard mixed opinions about coconut oil as a makeup remover. I know for some people it does not work and it breaks them out, but for me, it actually really works. It helps keep my skin really smooth, and I think the most important part is just making sure you're actually washing it off. So I am pretty much all ready for bed, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just end this vlog off here. As I mentioned, tomorrow I have class in the morning, and then I actually have to drive to Raleigh and take my little pup Cleo home, and then I'm gonna drive back here, and then we are off to Florida. So it should be a really fun weekend. I'm definitely gonna vlog it. In the meantime, definitely let me know if there's any other video ideas you guys want to see from me. I love doing these vlogs, but obviously I want to keep switching it up here on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want some like behind the scenes of Florida and all that kind of stuff. I would love to talk to you guys on there. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys!